How to get listed on Tripadvisor. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually get listed on Tripadvisor, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get listed on Tripadvisor, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Tripadvisor application. Once you launch the Tripadvisor app, you will see this type of interface where you have to just come to the review tab over here. Once you come to the review tab, you'll find this little plus button over here. Just tap on plus icon, and then here you'll find an option that says add a place, which means you can simply add your own place if you have a property. Tap on the option, it'll ask you for what kind of place do you want to add. So whether you want to list an accommodation, whether you want to list a restaurant, or whether you want to list a holiday rental, or whether you want to list a thing to do. I'll just select list an accommodation over here. Then I'll just select, are you the owner, employee, or an official representative of this place? You just have to select yes. Does this place already have a listing on Tripadvisor? So I'm just going to select no. Then you have to see what is your role, so you can select owner, manager, agency, consultant, or whatever else. Is this place currently open up? You can select yes, and then you can just tap on continue. Then after that, it will ask you to simply enter the name and description of the place, the description of your property as well. Then after that, you have to make sure the address is actually correct as to where it is located. And then you also want to make sure to enter the owners or the customer service's contact information. Then just tap on the website on URL, but if you don't, then you can just leave it at that, because if you do have, then that's even better. You can simply enter the URL, and then here you can select the location, you can select the latitude and the longitude, and then tap on continue. Then it'll ask you to upload a couple of photos, and after you've done that, your listing will be successfully created. And this is how you can get listed on Tripadvisor. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.